Hello students, already we have started the lesson the concert, and in that lesson we have seen regarding a person, a boy who was a 15 years old. He was a best table tennis player in the school and the fastest runner also, and the family lived in Gaganpur, but for the treatment purpose he had a cancer and he was dying of cancer. Even though his sister, she pretended that all would be well and they would return together, a small family of four, to their home in Gaganpur. Also, we have seen that she had read the newspaper. In that newspaper regarding Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert, he was playing tomorrow at the Shanmukhananda Auditorium. She has read about that, but at the same time, her mother, pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed, who was sleeping on the bed, Anant, who was her only son. And at the same time, what happened, he heard that Pandit Ravi Shankar's name, and he also wants to attend the Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert, who was a sitar performer, sitar maestro. Also, at the same time, what happened, Smita bit her lip in the self-reproach. She blamed herself that she had been so excitedly the announced such type of announcement she had done. She loudly said regarding the Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert, and her brother heard regarding that. After that, what happened? That we have seen, whenever they came back to Bamboo, they stayed with the Aunt Sushila, as we have seen that, and her apartment was not big, but there was always room for them. Also, we have seen that they told themselves regarding the Anant would be cured at the hospital, and he would again walk and run and even take part in forthcoming tennis tournament. But he would play also the sitar, perhaps be a great sitarist one day. But his condition become more worsen, and doctor told the family that take him home, give him what he wants, give him the thing he likes, indulge him, all these things. But they did not voice their fears. They laugh and smile and talk and surround him with whatever made him happy. Also, they fulfilled his every need and gave him whatever he wants. Also, we have seen that actually he wants to attend the functions. Again, he repeatedly said that I want to attend the Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert. But mother replied at the same time, when you will better, definitely we will attend the function, Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert. At the same time, Smita, she was looking at the window, looking at the traffic, and her eyes wet with tears. Her mother at the same time whispers that you can go, you can attend the function, your father will take you. But she was very much upset now. She was very much sad, and at the same time, when she was alone with the Aunt Sushila, at the same time she cried out in a choked voice, and she said that how can I go alone, because we have always done things together, Anant and that Smita. A walk in the park might make you feel better, she replied that. And Sushila, she has given advice that definitely we can walk in the park, and definitely you will feel better. For that purpose, what happened? She went towards the park, and she had seen various things there. The people were walking, running, playing with ball, doing yogic exercises, feeding the ducks, as well as eating roasted gram, peanuts. And also, we have seen that at the same time she felt alone in their midst. She was lost in her thoughts. She was lost in her thoughts. Up to here we have seen. Okay, now we are going to start from here. That is suddenly, from here. Suddenly a daring thought. Okay, suddenly a daring thought came to her, and as she hurried home, she said to herself. Suddenly, what happened? She had put up her courage. A daring thought comes in her mind, and she immediately turned towards home, and she said to herself that why not? There is no harm in trying it. Why not? We must have to try. We must have to attend the concert. She courageously now said to herself that why not? We also should have to attend the function. There is no harm in trying it. We must have to try. She said herself that. Now, it would be nice to go to the concert. I don't know when we will get another opportunity to hear Pandit Ravi Shankar, she said to her mother later. Later, she confidently said that she had a courage in her mind now, and daring thought she had came to her mind that we must have to attend the concert. And again, she thought that she told her mother that I don't know when we will get such type of opportunity to hear Pandit Ravi Shankar. So and her father agreed to get the tickets. In this way, father also agreed to get her tickets, and finally she wants to attend the function of Pandit Ravi Shankar, concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar. The next day, what happened as Smita and her father were leaving for the concert, her brother smiled and said, "Enjoy yourself." Though the words came out in painful gasp, "Lucky you." Now, the next day, Smita, along with her father, they were leaving for the concert. At the same time, who had seen them? Her brother Anand. Now he smiled and said that, "Enjoy yourself. You are very much lucky." Though the words came out in painful gasp, "Lucky you." Lucky means what? You are very much lucky. Who said that here? Her brother Anand, who was lying on the bed, who was uh, dying of cancer. Now, sitting beside her father in the gallery, Smita heard as in a dream the thundering welcome the audience gave the great master. At the same time, when they reached to the concert, at the same time, Smita, besides her father in the gallery, Smita heard as in a dream, really in the dream, the thundering welcome to the audience gave the great master. Then the first notes came over the air, and Smita felt as if the gates of a land of enchantment and wonder were opening. At the same time, the first notes, it means that concert began. Concert has started now. Concert has started, then the first notes came over the air, and she felt as if the gates of a land of enchantment and wonder were opening. It means that she was very much happy when the concert started. When the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar started, she was very much happy now. And at the same time, what happened? Spellbound, she listened to the unfolding ragas, the slow, plaintive notes, the fast twinkling ones, but all the while the plan she had decided on the evening before remained firmly in her mind. Plaintive notes. Plaintive means what? Sad here. The word plaintive, it is also given here. The plaintive means what? That is also given here, sad. It means sad. Now she recalled, spellbound, she listened to the unfolding ragas and the slow, sad notes, the fast twinkling ones, but all the while the plan she had decided on the evening before remained firmly in her mind. Actually, she had made a plan in her mind that the chance of lifetime. She had recalled, recalled the words, whatever her brother was. At the same time, he uttered the chance of a lifetime. She heard Anand's voice in every beat of the tabla. In that concert, now she uttered, she heard Anand's voice in every bit of tabla. What was the Anand's voice? What he had actually put the word, the chance of lifetime. The chance of lifetime, it was the saying of Anand, and it recalled to whom? Smita here, and she recalled what her brother was said before, that she the chance of lifetime, and also she heard Anand's voice in every bit of tabla. The concert came to an end. The audience gave the artist a standing ovation. Now the concert came to an end. इथे फंक्शन संपलं. At the same time, the audience gave the artist a standing ovation. Audience also gave them a welcome ovation, a standing ovation here. प्रेक्षकांनी सुद्धा टाळ्या वाजवून तो कार्यक्रम संपल्यानंतर दाद दिली, वेलकम केलं, स्वागत केलं. A large moustached man having a long moustache made a long boring speech. At the same time, after the concert ended, at the same time, a person who had a large moustache man having a long moustache made a long boring speech. He had given a long boring speech after the concert. Then came the presentation of bouquets. After the boring speech, after that there was the presentation of bouquets now. Then more applause and the curtain came down. After that, what happened? The concert finished and the more applause and the curtain pulled down. Curtain came down. शेवटी टाळ्यांचा कडकडाट झाला आणि हा कार्यक्रम संपला. हा पडदा शेवटी खाली पडला. The curtain came down. The people began to move towards the exits. Now after ending the program, after ending the concert, the people started to move towards the exit. People began to move towards the exits. At the same time, what happened? Now was the time. Smita wriggled her way through the crowds towards the stage. Now, wriggle means what? Twisting or turning body with quick movement. That is called a wriggle. Turning body with quick movement. That is called here what? wriggle, and she wriggled her way. She had got her way through the crowds towards the stage. She twisted, she turns her, and she had find her way, and she turned towards the stage. Then she went up to the step that led to the wings, her heart beating loudly. She was very much now fearful here. She was very much afraid here. She went up toward the steps and that led to the wings. She directly turned toward the stage, her heart beating loudly. Her heart beats now loudly. In the wings, a small crowd had gathered to talk about the evening concert, to help carry bouquets and teacups and instruments. At the same time, in the wings, she had heard the discussion in the small crowd that gathered over there. They were talking about the evening concert. They were talking about what? The evening concert. Also regarding the bouquets as well as teacups and as well as instruments. Okay, and she also had heard her their discussions regarding that. He was there standing with the man who played the tabla for him. He was there standing with the man who played tabla for him, the great wizard of music, Ustad Allah Rakha. Also one of the tabla player, a famous tabla player, as we have earlier we have heard her name. He was a famous tabla player whose name was Ustad Allah Rakha Khan. That is also given here, Ustad Allah Rakha, a great wizard of music. Her knees felt weak, her tongue dry. Actually, she now when she reached there, at the same time when she had seen the Ustad Allah Raka, one of the great wizard of music, a bass tabla player, at the same time her knees felt weak, her tongue became dry. Means she became motionless here, speechless here. But she went up and standing before them, her hands folded. Oh sir, she burst out. But when she went up and standing before them means Pandit Ravi Shankar as well as Ustad Allah Raka. At the same time, she turned towards them. She stood before them and her hands folded, and she requested them that, oh sir, she burst out now, oh sir. Yes, he asked questioningly but kindly. Yes, what you want? He asked. He means here Ustad Allah Rakha. He asked her, what do you want? And her story came pouring out, the story of her brother who lay sick at home, and of how he longed to hear him and the Ustad play. And she started to tell them the story regarding her brother, how he was dying of cancer, and he was very much ill now, and he was dying of cancer and he was going to die definitely. And the story of her brother who lay sick at home, and how he wished to hear him as well as Ustad play. He actually she uh, dictated what had happened actually with her brother. Will you come to Aunt Sushila's house and play for him? She asked at the end breathlessly. Please, she begged, please come. Now, while begging, she requested them, will you come to Aunt Sushila's house? As they lived in Aunt Sushila's house in the Bombay, as the treatment purpose say, they came here in the Bombay, and they lived, the family, the whole family lived in the Aunt Sushila's house. So she requested them that, will you come to Aunt Sushila's house and play for him? Play for him means who here? Play for my brother, that is Anand. Again she breathlessly, she asked at the end breathlessly, please, she begged, please come. Again she begged that, please come, please come. She requested them that. Little girl, said the moustache man who had made the long speech. Panditji is a busy man. A person was there who had given a boring speech, who had a mustache, a long mustache. Now he replied that Panditji is a busy man. You must not bother him with such requests. You don't make him bother with such type of request. Panditji is a very busy man. Who said that? Mustache man who gave such type of boring speech. At the same time, she become very much sad now by hearing such type of things by the mustache man. But Pandit Ravi Shankar smiled and motioned him to be quiet. At the same time, Pandit Ravi Shankar, he smiled and he motioned him to be quiet. He turned to Ustad Sahib and said, what shall we do, Ustad Sahib? Now Pandit Ravi Shankar, he turned towards the Ustad Sahib and he told him that, what should we have to do, Ustad Sahib? आपण काय केलं पाहिजे? आपण गेलं पाहिजे का त्यांच्या घरी? हे पंडित रविशंकर त्या उस्ताद साहेबांना विचारतात. ॲट द सेम टाईम व्हॉट हॅपन, द उस्ताद मूव द wad of pan from one cheek to another. Tomorrow morning we perform for the boy. Yes, he said. Now he was happy. Now the ustad moved the wad of pan from one cheek to another. म्हणजे पानाचं जे काय म्हणतो त्याला विडा जो आहे तो पानाचा विडा आतमध्ये तोंडामध्ये आहे ते एका चिकमधून दुसऱ्या चिकडे ते घेत आहेत आणि ॲट द सेम टाईम ही टर्न टू उस्ताद साहेब अँड से दॅट वॉट शॅल वी डू उस्ताद साहेब ॲट द सेम टाईम ही replied that Ustad moved the wad of pan from one cheek to another and he confidently said that tomorrow morning we perform for the boy. Yes, definitely, he said. Yes, Panditji replied, it's settled then. Definitely, they were ready to go to the Aunt Sushila's house for Anand only. Okay, now it was a very excited Smita who came home late that night. Actually, why she was late? She had waited their reply. She had waited their reply and she was very much late now. And she came home late that night. Anant was awake, breathing the oxygen from the cylinder. As he was very much ill, he was dying of cancer. As we have seen that he was awake, breathing the oxygen from the cylinder. Did you hear him? He whispered. Now, when she reached the home, at the same time, her brother Anand, he called her and he asked her that, did you hear him? Excitedly, he asked her that. I did, she replied, and I spoke to him, and he will come tomorrow morning with the tabla ustad, and they will play for you. Again, she told him that definitely, actually, I did. I heard them, but I spoke to them, and then definitely he will come tomorrow. Pandit Shankar will come tomorrow morning with the tabla ustad player, tabla ustad who Allah Rakha, and they will play for you. And it will be decided that they will come here in the tomorrow morning. And the following morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbors saw two men get out of a taxi which pulled up outside their block. They could not believe their eyes. It's not possible, they said. At the same time, what happened tomorrow morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbors, they had seen the two men means Pandit Ravi Shankar along with whom? The tabla player Ustad Allah Rakha. They both get out from the taxi and they could not believe that. They could not believe their eyes. The neighbors could not believe their eyes, as well as the family members also, they could not believe their eyes. Is it possible? It's not possible, they said that. They thought that it is not possible. How can they attain here? Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha went up to the wooden staircase and knocked softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's apartment. Now Pandit Ravi Shankar as well as along with Ustad Allah Rakha, they reached there and they went up to the wooden staircase. म्हणजे लाकडी पायऱ्या होत्या त्या लाकडी जिन्यावरून ते वरती गेले and after that knocked softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's apartment. Now they reached the Aunt Sushila's apartment. They went in, sat down on the divan by the window and played for the boy, surrounding him with a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him gently, very gently. They went in, sat down there. Actually, they went in, sat down on the divan by the window and played for the boy. Only for the that purpose they played. They means who here Pandit Ravi Shankar along with Ustad Allah Rakha. They went up the wooden staircase and knocked softly on the door, as well as they went in, sat down on the divan by the window and played for the boy only. And surrounded him with a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him gently, very gently. And after that he died slowly. He died gently means what is slowly. And when he listened such type of concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar as well as Ustad Allah Rakha, who was the well-known tabla player, at the same time he died. He died slowly there. After that, with a great happiness, a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him greatly, very gently. It means that finally what happened, the request of Smita requested to whom these two personalities, Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha, and after that what happened, his wish also fulfilled, the Anand's wish also finally fulfilled, and finally he died happily now. Okay, up to here we have seen this lesson. Remaining part we will see afterwards. Okay, thank you.